this Monster Jam truck. The truck I got could be Maxie's by Thunder Car Trades, Metal Militia, My Tires, Greg Digger, Spider-Man, or Bone Shaker. And I'm gonna show you what the truck is, and it also comes with step ramps. This is a Hot Wheels Monster Jam truck. It is Blue Thunder Color Trades. Let's open it up. Okay, can you guys see? Okay. This is the hard part. It's weird like that. I'm gonna escape it with my nunchuck. Gotta get my nunchuck back in. Gotta get my nunchuck back in my hand. There. Yeah, I know I look weird. There we go. I opened it. There's a start ramp. This is nice. Okay. So, truck. There's Blue Thunder right there on the back. Feel the energy. This side, Blue Thunder. On top, there's Blue Thunder with lightning. And the tires are different. And I'm not going to be comparing them to my other. And he's terrible at backflips. I'm not going to be comparing him to my other Blue Thunder I have. But, yeah. So, we're going to make a turtle episode maybe tomorrow. We'll see. And goodbye. I got Blue Thunder, say goodbye. Oh wait, I forgot about the start ramp. Start ramp stage, Monster Jam right there. And Hot Wheels right there. See? So let's test out the truck. There's the piggy. Yellow start ramp with the blue, and this is the only one at my local Walmart. And, so please comment, like, and subscribe. And, bye.